What is behind the longevity of the inhabitants in Bama? Probes show that the air they breathe, the water they drink, and the living habits they keep all contribute. Another key factor, however, is their optimistic attitude towards life.
Among the rugged karst peaks of northwestern Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, there is a small county that's home to one of the world's longevity villages. The concentration of centenarians in Bama is higher than anywhere else in the world. Most are surprisingly healthy and fit and work in the fields. Outsiders come seeking the secret to their long lives. The soft, rhythmic sounds of weavers fill the air along a quiet country road near Bapongtun of Piang village. This area of Bama is home to many centenarians. Traditional weaving skills are passed from generation to generation, but in many areas the craft has been forgotten. Today, spinning wheels and looms are mostly seen in antique stores. Following the sound leads to two elderly people busy at their looms. Their shuttles fly back and forth on the loom, joining warp and weft yarns to create a flat cloth. Their movements are simple: throwing, beating, and pedaling. However, weaving a consistent fabric requires excellent hand and foot coordination. A tiny mistake can leave a flaw in the fabric. When throwing the shuttle, one has to keep the wrist loose and the shuttle level to keep the thread from breaking. When beating, the middle section of the thread must be pulled to ensure uniform tightness in the throws. In addition, careful attention must be paid to the colors of the weft yarns so that the pattern will be correct. Few young people in the village can perform this type of manual labor. However, these two elders are very good at both spinning and weaving. They appear to be only about 80 or 90 years old. The two women are sisters. Huang Magang is 105 years old and Huang Mashui is 100. They work together as a team. If one is spinning, the other will weave. They work at least 2 or 3 hours per day. It takes them just 15 days to finish a 10-meter-long piece of fabric. They work hard each day even though their family doesn't need the cloth. They are making the fabric for the many outsiders who come to the village. Many people like to buy cloth from the elderly sisters as souvenirs. In return, Huang Magang blesses them in their own special way. In Banpantun alone, there are 5 centenarians in addition to the Huang sisters. The average longevity in Banpan is the highest in all of Bama County. One elderly man is seen standing in a tiny old building in Bapan. The locals say his name is Huang Puxin and he was born in 1898. This year he is 111.